Hey there everyone, I am Siddharth Sahu back again with another video. On my previous video we talked about what is front-end web development and the related technologies. In today's video we are gonna talk about something very important which every developer needs it, the text editor. If you are learning at web development scale or if you are already a full-fledged web developer, then text editor are one of the most important tool that every developer should have. Yes, there is not a shortage of text editors in the market, but there are obviously a lot of choices out there. My personally favorite text editor for web development is Bracket. It was a Adobe product and is currently maintained on GitHub. If you are a Linux, Mac or Windows user, you don't need to worry because it is an open source as well as cross-platform software. Bracket is available on the link bracket.io. It is very powerful editor. It can do lot of the jobs for you like HTML CSS JavaScript, and every technologies that you see on web development can work seamlessly on this editor. It is a great editor to work on. One of the features that impressed me in Bracket in very early days was not there on the rest of the browsers and the rest of the editors was the live preview loading functionality. And believe me, development process becomes so much easier when you don't need to refresh the web page each and every time. You just need to write the code and it automatically reloads the page and shows you everything. I was being amazed by this feature, but later on a lot of the text editors included the plugins for that, and there you go, now it's a common feature in a lot of the text editors available in the market. So I recommend you to give it a try. It got some amazing add-ons and amazing features like library loading is pretty awesome. In our course also, we're gonna continue our development with Bracket, the ultimate editor. Till then, stay tuned for learning some serious web development. And if you want to learn more about programming and other related stuff, start now by hitting the subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.